For this week's project, I did the motor positioning assignment with the keypad. The idea with this is that it is able to drive two different motors, one for the X positioning of a laser pointer and one for the Y positioning of a laser pointer. And how that works is essentially the keypad has inputs on port B and port A. If it's going in the X position, it'll output in port A. If it's going in the Y position, it'll output in port B. And then when it iterates through the steps of the motor, if it's going clockwise, it'll iterate forward. And if it's going counterclockwise, it'll iterate backwards. So I press this button, it'll switch to counterclockwise right here. And if I press it again, it'll switch back to clockwise. And then if I press this button, switch to Y and back to X. And then if I enter something on the keypad like 333, this will make this motor spin forward. And then if I press the counterclockwise button and enter the same thing, except this time I'm going to enter 555 and press the submit button, which is star, it'll spin backwards. And I could hit RB2 to stop it midway through in case I need to abort the sequence. Then if I press RB1 to switch it to Y. Now, if we look at this motor and I press 555 again and submit, it now spins backwards because it's set at counterclockwise. And if I press abort, it stops. Then if I go 333 right here and hit submit, and then I hit clockwise, that's X, clockwise, and change to Y and hit submit, it's now going clockwise. And then finally, this is meant to power a laser pointer, which can be powered directly. Currently, that's not set up. However, if I press RB3, it lights up port A, press it again, turns off, and that will power the laser pointer when it's attached.